What up guys, it's Mike and today we're gonna do a very different video. It's like a commentary meets information video. Very odd, right? So basically I posted a video on my Instagram about a robot police. It's giving a ticket to a female. No cop in sight. He's back there in a Prius. So people were asking me,
how do you know about this one, Michael? Can you tell me more information so I can talk about it with my friend?
and I'm like, dude, I've got your back. Let me make a video and show you guys. And then the DM said,
oh, thank you, Mr. Michael. I love you long time.
and I was like, dude, that's what I'm here for you. So here's a video on some information on the robot cop. Let's go.
Traffic stops are dangerous. Every year, millions of drivers are pulled over.
Can I please see your license and registration?
Yes, sir.
Now I gotta say that female is super nice using the word sir, and that fine officer is also very polite. I do like his little hat on his robot. She is reaching for the glove compartment, but no worries. There's only a robot in the way. Nobody gonna get hurt at all.
Scanner?
Now that's pretty insane. You can insert your driver's license into the robot. It scans it, sends the information over to the police car, which happens to be a Prius here. Cops driving a Prius in the near future. I don't want to be a part of this world if that's true.
Miss Brewer, thank you. All right, up to date, thank you.
Okay, there is a camera. The cop can watch the female, and she doesn't know if he has pants on or not. Serious note, he's checking the registration, which normal cops would ask for license, registration, and insurance. Fact check all those, make sure they're good. Run your driver's license to make sure they're everything wants and warrants. Boom, all done in a car. Yo, this cop gave her a straight ticket. Didn't even give her a warning. Made her sign a keypad or a pen pad or whatever pads they call them these days. Maxi pad.
Please do not drive away until I give you explicit okay to do so.
This robot even prints out your ticket for you and makes you tear it off by yourself. Isn't that insult to yourself? Rubbing salt in the wound here.
Thank you, sir. You too.
This robot then retracts back into the car and the cop can move on to pull other people over. All right, let's take a quick pause and talk about the company developing this technology. Pretty interesting. Company is called SRI International. They specialize in robotics in different fields. Okay, I'm gonna read you guys their mission statement for the company just so we get an idea of what they're making. Here we go. Side note. Were you guys ever super nervous when you were reading in class? I was. I've never been a very good reader in my life. Here at SRI International, our goal is to... I already fucked it up, bruh. I already fucked it up. God damn. Now everybody's laughing at me. Let me move it over here. Here at SRI International, our goal is to invent a better future by collaborating on key research areas like space, satellites, robotics in space, conversational AI, surgical AI, quantum technology, and more. Cha-ching. So it sounds like the company is interested in robotics, which explains why they are doing a cop robot. There's specific information that the company gave out on this informational video. I have not fact checked it, so I don't know if it's actually true, but here are the information. 16,915,140 drivers are pulled over in traffic. Okay. 195,078 motorists have physical force used on them. Ooh, that's some violent popos out there. 4,488 officers are assaulted. Ooh, that is a lot of people been beaten up over there. 89 of those motorists die. Damn. Oh, damn. This is even worse. 11 of those officers died. I believe this information is a little bit low, if I remember correctly, but this is why they're developing this robot cop police officer here. All right, this is what we know as of right now. We've got a company developing a prototype for a robot cop. Gives you a ticket without the cop ever leaving the car, which is kind of cool. How do I sign up for this job? Cop pulls over car pulls over, robot gets extended out all the way to the car and says hello in a cute little hat. Violator follows instruction, cop stays in the car, gives ticket, signs it with a pad. So let me leave you guys with this question. What do you guys think of the future of cops for robots? Like Robo Cop. Are you guys old enough to know about Robo Cop? This would be pretty interesting because it could probably decrease the incidents with police officers. It'll make the job a lot safer for the police officer because they don't have to step out of the car. This violator in the car is not always the most dangerous thing outside. Sometimes it's traffic that's driving past them at speed. So this this might make it safe for them. As for the violator, it also probably be safe for them because now there is no threat with an officer next to you with a gun, and if he mistakens anything, well, you've seen it on the news. So big question, what do you guys think of this technology? Do you think it is going to be a good idea or a bad idea, or even if you think it's going to be something that they'll actually implement? Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching today's super random video, but I thought this information was pretty interesting and I kind of wanted to spit it out there and see what I can find for you guys. If you guys like this format, once again, hit the like button. Let me know by the like button. If I see a lot of likes, then I'll make more information about crap that I find in something. Cool. I've had too many energy drinks, which is why I'm speaking so fast. Thanks for watching. Asian bow to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.